today we're not sure what we're gonna do, but we're just gonna go with the flow and see where it takes us. Okay, so we're about to get a bike. I think I'm gonna I want the white one, but the orange one's looking nice. Blue one, it's 200 baht for a day, which is like £5, and deposit is either 3,000 baht or you give your passport. I think we're about to do 3,000 baht because it's safer.
20 minutes later.
Guys, I made it alive. I just survived. This thing, scary. It was scary being at the back as well.
It's a machine.
All I'm holding is him, and then like, oh my god.
It's a machine.
Literally. It was a nice ride though. I put my hands out and everything. Rated out what? Out of 10? I'll give it an 8. Yeah, that 2 was just, you know, at the beginning. He was close to the pavement. I was thinking, what are you doing? We just got to Phuket Rifle Shooting Association. So basically shooting. I've never done shooting, so I'm excited to do this. Guys, it's so loud that we need to start wearing headphones. And I might do that one, just like the beginner one. He said this one has more power, which I think I'm not going to try to do right now. It's about 20 pounds? Around 20 pounds. So I've got the 22 rifle and these are the bullets.
The big guns.
Oh my
The
god,
big boys.
Guys, 86 out of 100. I did pretty good. I got 86 out of 100. 86 out of 100. So someone got 0. You know, you see how like there's a circle. He didn't even touch the circle.
Got 100 out of 100.
No, I got 86. As you can see, he was shooting like the outside bit of the paper. I was shooting the middle of it. But then again, we got 2 different guns. So, you know. Then towards the end, they gave us this. Guy's parcel, coconut scent. They gave us this at the end.
Ready?
It says that you need to cover your shoulders and you can't be wearing shorts, stuff like that, but we just came in and they were like, it's fine, you don't need to. Don't know why, but that's it. Oh my god, we came at a good time as well. It was like sunset and stuff. Let me just show you the view. It looks like heaven. Oh my god. Wow. Monkey. Hi monkey. We got food. Food. Banana. Banana. We went back to the hotel, chilled for a bit. As I was saying, we're gonna go to Boathouse restaurant, which is like 2 minutes away by car, but obviously we're taking the bike. And yeah, I'll let you guys know how that is. So we just got here.
Few moments later.
Guys, so we didn't end up eating at that place, but we will be back tomorrow. Just only because such a nice restaurant that we kind of want to save it for another day. Yeah, so instead we're going to go to this restaurant over there. It's called Two Chefs. The guy that works there recommended it, so we're going to try it out. Hi guys, day 5 in Thailand. Today we are just going to Koron Beach by bike, which is only like 5-10 minutes away I think. So just got to Koron Beach. The sand is so nice, the water, don't know if you guys can see, but the sand is much better than the other beach that we went to on the first day. Compared to the first beach, this one's definitely much more better. Definitely recommend going to... You're in the back! Compared to the first beach that we went to, this one's so much more better. So if you ever do come like to this kind of area, like near Kata Beach and stuff, go to Koron. The bike ride was literally like 7 minutes. It was so quick. I just don't want to see you win. I just don't want to see you win. It's okay, bro. It's okay.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost and be our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're
Hi guys, so we got back from the beach. We just got ready so that we can go out for dinner. We're gonna go to the boathouse, which is a place that we tried to go yesterday. Trying to catch the sunset if we make it on time. The food was alright. The portions were quite small, but
Nipsey Hussle. It's my fault.
but the portions were quite small, but it was kind of filling like towards the end.
Sorry guys, y'all gotta go.
Hey, I ain't finished. The dessert was probably the best bit. I like the dessert. The dessert was probably the dessert. The dessert, that was probably the best part out of like all of the other meals, because the ice cream, the chocolate cake, the fruits, it was all nice. It was like a nice mix put together. Baby,
You say you're good. I hope you're good.
yeah, because you're
I'm saying
distracting
you're doing
me.
good every time.
I want you again.
You smile.
So out of 10, I would give it a 7. Maybe a 6. 6.5. I give it a 6.5. Just because like the food wasn't all that. I didn't expect it to be like that. Just rented out another bike. This one's called a Julio.
you pop your top and how you lose your cool and how you look at me too. Say why? Ain't no fighting, no I can't stop it. This took a while for the way.
We just got to the spa. It's called Palm Spa Massage. 400 baht for an hour, which is £10. Not bad.
Good, it's about you good, darling. Look at you good.
So they gave us some blue butterfly PT, and it's got a lot of health benefits.
Yeah. See that blue ocean? This is blue absinthe. This is blue absinthe, you know that?
I'm gonna shot this.
Okay, join it. Get wavy.
So I've decided to do the oil massage, which is an hour long and it's 500 baht, which is about £12.50.
Way you pump your fist, how you bust your hip for my affection. Tryna be down, no fighting, no stopping, stick around.
Is this a headband? Oh, I think you put this on.
And you the type of girl I take over the mama. The type of girl I know your daddy be proud of. Be proud of, be proud of, be.
Right guys, so we're back in the hotel. Since I last videoed, we were at the massage place. The place that we went to was called the Palm, and it's different from like the other massage shops like you would see on the strip. This one's more of like a spa kind of feel to it. It's got like a sauna, steam room, whatever. After she explained what a Thai massage is, I was just like, yeah, I'm not doing that. And if you don't know what a Thai massage is, it's basically like them stretching out your muscles, kind of like holding your arms back and then like that kind of thing. And yeah, I didn't want that. I wanted the oil massage. Another thing is when you actually get into the massage room, they make you literally strip, and they do your back and front. They did the head as well. They did everything basically. They gave you like a piece of underwear. I think I filmed it for you guys. Yeah, and obviously they provided tea at the beginning and they provided tea at the end, which is really nice. Yeah, I definitely recommend it if you guys are looking to do a massage near Casa Beach. Check out the Palm. London, back from Thailand. 100% recommend Thailand. Like, you guys need to add it to your bucket list. If it's not in your bucket list, you need to add it now because Thailand was just a beautiful, magical place. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlogs. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.